Thank you, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here as a group number 1, and we are going to show you what we have done in our module called IoT, or Internet of Everything, at IPRC Karongi, Level 7 IT. My name is and our project title was Smart Home Security. We have addressed some challenges our buildings at home might face, such as fire outbreak and other security issues, like you might face problem of not being able to reach where the switch is of your lights when it is at night. We have discovered also that the temperature might be high, and you might not be able to be aware of that temperature that has been high for you to be able to activate ventilation system. And to come over that, in our project we have used 3 sensors: temperature sensor, smoke detection sensor, and light sensor. All those sensors will be we will show you how all those work for the continuous video as we are continuing. So here we have our project in IoT, Smart Home Security, and I'm going to show you the devices we have used. We have used this Arduino Uno. It is like a gateway that will help us to connect all those devices, actuators, and sensors. Here, this is a smoke detector or sensor that will be used to detect the physical change of smoke in our environment or our home. This is light sensor or LDR that will sense if it is night. We will activate the lights on. If it is on the light, we will automatically turn those lights off. This is temperature sensor. We have used RM35 to detect the temperature level, or in degrees Celsius. We will show you in our terminal or compound display. And the next thing, we will have to upload or to push our data to the cloud for the users being accessible on the cloud. Here we have Wi-Fi module. It is called ESP8266, which will help us to deal with those data on the Firebase application. We will use the Firebase application to do that, or to push our data to the cloud. Other devices we have are actuators. This is red, that will activate the light automatically, and this is the buzzer that will give sound output. Ladies and gentlemen, let's connect and see how all those works. So we will connect our Arduino Uno to the computer, and as you see, the power has been generated. First, we will test if our smoke detector can detect the activation of smoke. We try to burn something and see if there will be the output. So ladies and gentlemen, as you see, we have set the level of smoke that our alarm system can detect and give you the alarm that the smoke have been, we have a high level of smoke, and activate that alarm for you to know actually what you should do if that smoke has been activated. The next thing we will test, it is these lights. We will try to put the cover for activating the lights. You see here, automatically this red turns on due to the active of night mode. And as you see here, looking through the door, you see that the torch or the light in front of our house had also been turned on. And if we try to turn back or to activate the light, you see that the lights, our red, automatically have been turned off because it has detected that they are the active of lights. Let's try again to see. You see also it have automatically turned on due to the activation of light. When it is night, the lights will be on. When it is on the day sun, the light will be off. Thank you. This is our terminal showing the temperature readings, sensor readings, and the moisture level readings. So we will start by this temperature. You see that the temperature is being generated according to the delay we have been set. Here the values will be changing according to the changes happening in our environment. We have set that if the light sensor reaches above 1000, above 100, and when the light sensor reaches above 1000, the lights will be turned off, and when it reaches below 1000, the light will be on. As you see here, the light level are above 1000, and the lights we have on our Arduino have been turned off. You see. Then when we back to this and try to hide them, the light reaches to 980, and automatically the lights will be on, as you have seen on our previous videos. So this is a moisture level or the smoke detector. When the smoke detector reaches to 400, it will automatically activate the buzzer to alarm you what you should do. Let's test. So you see that the moisture levels started rising and when it reaches above 400, you see that we have values according to the readings 600, 700, etc. We will try to remove the smoke for the buzzer to automatically shut down. When it will shut down when it reaches under the 400. So why we are doing that, we want also to show you how we have interacted with the Firebase. Here Firebase website, where that was the smoke detector. It detects that the smoke reaches under the level we have set it of 400. So let's continue with this Firebase. We have Firebase application, that where we will need to push our data to cloud. So first you create account using email. Then after creating account, you authenticate your account, where they give you API key you will use in your project, and you came here to this tab where you will see real-time data that are being uploaded. So to work with the Firebase, you need to include its libraries. You see here we have the library of ESP 8266, which is our Wi-Fi module, and then we include also Firebase host, which is the host where we will see our data on the cloud, and this API key, which is for the authentication. And then we will continue with running it and upload it and see that data on the cloud. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. This was number group 1, and our project was also smart home security. Thank you.